Good morning, students. Welcome to our maths class. Today we are going to see the multiplication of decimal numbers. In the last class we have seen addition and subtraction. We shall recall that. Add 3.2 plus 6.4. You have to add both. 2 plus 4, 6. Then 3 plus 6, 9. So 9.6. So the answer is 9.6. Then second one is subtract. 7.5 minus 3.4. You have to subtract and say the answer. 7.5, 3.4. 5 minus 4 is 1. 7 minus 3 is 4. So we are subtracting here. Here we are adding. So the answer is 4.1. We shall move to exercise 1.2. Ninth problem. Akhilan purchased a geometry box for rupees 25.75. 25 rupees 75 pice. A pencil for 3 rupees 75 pice. And a pen for 17 rupees 90 pice. He gave rupees 50 to the shopkeeper. What amount did he get back? Solution. Akhilan purchased Okay. First one is geometry box. For rupees 25.75. Yeah. Then he bought a pencil. Pencil for rupees 3 point. Here you have to 3.75. Okay, here 0. Then he bought a pen. Pen for rupees 17.90. 17.90. Okay. Then totally he had to give the shopkeeper how much he had to give. 5 plus 5 10 0. Remainder 1. 7 plus 7 14. 14 plus 1 15. 15 plus 9 is 24. 4. Remainder 2. Okay. Then it is 7. 7 plus 3 10. 10 plus 7 17. Remainder 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Totally he had to give 47 rupees 50 pice. Okay. But he gave rupees 50. How much he have to get back? Okay. Amount to get back. How to calculate this? 50 rupees 50 minus 47.40. Okay. You subtract and say 50.00. You have to make this a like decimal. Okay. 47.40. Now here 0 0. From 0 cannot go 4, so you have to borrow here 10. Then from here you have to bring it 10, here 9. Okay. 10 minus 4 is 6. Then 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay. For here 4 only, no. We borrowed from here. So remaining rupees is 2.60. So answer amount to get back is equal to rupees 2.60. 2 rupees 60 pice. And Today I shall going to see the multiplication of decimal number. Okay. Example 1.18. Okay. We have to multiply 2.3 into 1.4. Then you multiply solution 2.3, 1.4. 4 3s are 12, 2, remainder 1. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay. Here 3 1s are 3, 2 1s are 2. 2, 9 plus 3 is 12, 2, remainder 1, then 3. After how many digits we have to keep point? 2 digits, 1, 2. So the answer is 3.22. Then second sum is 5.6 into 3.2. 5.6 to 3.2. Have to multiply. 6 2s are 12. Remainder 1. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 is 11. Again 3 6 3s are 18 8. Remainder 1. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. Now 2, 9, 7, 1. After how many digits you have to keep point? Yes, 2 digits. 1, 2. After 2 digits you have to keep point. Answer is 17.92. Example 1.19. Lata purchased a chudidar material of 3.75 meter at the rate of rupees 62.50 paise per meter. Find the amount to be paid. Cost of chudidar material is rupees 62.50 paise per meter. So how many meter he bought? 3.75 meter. So you have to multiply with this 3.75 and say the answer, how much amount he has to pay. Amount to be paid is equal to 3.75 into 62.50. Okay. 62.50 into 3.75. Okay. So 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25, remainder 2, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 is 12, 2, remainder 1, then 6 5s are 30, 31. Okay. Again, so with 7 you have to multiply. 7 zeros are 0, 7 5s are 35, remainder 3. 7 2s are 14 plus 3, 17 7, remainder 1. Then 7 6 are 42 plus 1 is 43. Okay. Again you have to multiply by 3. 3 zeros are 0, 3 5s are 15, remainder 1. Then 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7. So 6 3s are 18. Now add 0, 5, then 5 plus 2 is 7, then 7 plus 1 8 plus 5 is 13 3, remainder 1, then 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 7 14 4, remainder 1, then 5 plus 8 is 13 3, remainder 1 2. Now how many digits after you have to keep point? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. After 4 digits you have to keep point. Okay. So the rupees is 234.3750. Here you have to round off the to 2 decimal places. Okay. For paises you have to round off no. So rupees 234.38. Here see the third digit. You have to keep up to 2 digit places, means you have to see the third digit. Third digit is equal to 5. So you have to take 1 from here and add with this 7. It is 38. So the amount to be paid is rupees 234.38 paise. Okay. Then example 1.20. The length and breadth of a rectangle is 23.5 cm and 1.5 cm respectively. Find the area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle is equal to L into B square roots. That we know, isn't it? Okay. L is equal to 23.5 cm and B is equal to 1.5 cm. Now area of rectangle is equal to L into B. That is 23.5 into 1.5. 5 5s are 25. Remainder 2. 5 3s are 15, 16, 17, 7. Remainder 1. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 is 11. Okay. 5 1s are 5. 3 1s are 3. 2 1s are 2. Now you add 5, 12, 2. Remainder 1. 5, then 3. Okay. After 2 digit you have to keep point. Now area of a rectangle is equal to 35.25 square meter. Exercise 1.3. Second sum. Find the area of a parallelogram whose base is 6.8 centimeter and height is 3.5 centimeter. Okay. Base of a parallelogram is equal to 6.8 centimeter and height of a parallelogram is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Now, what is the area of a parallelogram? Area of a parallelogram is BH square units. So 6.8 into 3.5. Now you have to multiply this. 5 8s are 40, remainder 4. 6 5s are 30 plus 2 is 30 plus 4 is 34. Then 3 8s are 24. Remainder 2. 6 18 plus 2 is 20. Now add 0, 8, 3, 2. After 2 digit you have to keep point. So 23.80 centimeter square. So area of a parallelogram is 23.80 centimeter square. Third sum. Find the area of a rectangle whose length is 23.7 centimeter and breadth is 15.2 centimeter. Solution. Length of the rectangle is equal to 23.7 centimeter. Breadth of the rectangle is equal to 15.2 centimeter. Area of a rectangle is equal to LB square units. 23.7 into 15.2. You have to multiply. 5 to 7 2s are 14, remainder 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7. 2 2s are 4. Again for 5 3 7 5s are 35. Remainder 3. Okay. 5 3s are 15 plus 3 is 18 8. Remainder 1. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 is 11. Again 23.7. So 1 table. 1 7 is 7, 1 3 is 3 and 1 2 is 2. Okay. Now you add 4, 12, remainder 1, then 5 plus 8 is 13, 13 plus 7 is 20, 0, remainder 2, then 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay. Here 1 plus 2 is 3. 360.24 centimeter square. Fifth problem. A wheel of a baby cycle covers 49.7 centimeter in one rotation. Find the distance covered in 10 rotations. Okay. Length covered in one rotation is 49.7 centimeter. Length covered in 10 rotations is 49.7 into 10. It will come as 49.70. After one digit you have to keep point. No. So after point after 0 is no value. So 497 centimeter. Answer. Distance covered in 10 rotations is equal to 49.7 centimeter. Yeah, we shall move to sixth problem. A picture cost rupees 1.50, that is 1 rupees 50 pice. Radha wants to buy 20 charts to make an album. How much does she have to pay? Cost of one chart is equal to 1 rupees 50 pice. Then you have to say 20 charts. 1.50 into 20 is equal to rupees 30.00. So the cost of 20 charts is equal to rupees 30. Seventh problem. The product of that first operation. We have to multiply. Solution, multiply and write. 3.6 into 0.3. We have to multiply. 6 3s are 18. 8, remainder 1. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 is 10. Here 0 only. So after 2 digits we have to keep point. So the answer is 1.08. The answer is equal to 1.08. Okay. Then second one. 52.3 into 0.1. 2.3 into 0.1. Okay. By 1 you have to multiply. 3, 2, 5. After 2 digits you have to keep point. Okay. The answer is 5.23. Okay. And we shall move to third problem. 537.4 into 0.2. Then 537.4 into 0.2. By 2 you have to multiply. 4 2s are 8. Remainder 1. 7 2s are 14 plus 1 is 15. 5. Remainder 1. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay. Then 2 5s are 10. After 2 digit you have to keep point. Okay. 107.58. 1 2 2 digit. So the answer is 107.58. Then sixth problem. 0.6 into 0.06. So 0.6 into 0.06. 6 6 are 36 we know, isn't it? We can write like this. Then after how many digits you have to keep point? 1, 2, 3 digit. Then you guess here is the decimal number, decimal point. Okay. So you bring this 1, 2, 3 you have to keep. So you add 1 0 and keep point. So the answer is 0.036. Okay. Then fifth problem. 63.2 into 0.23. 63.2 into 0.23. As usual you multiply. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 6 3s are 18. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 6 2s are 12. Now you add 6. 9 plus 4 is 13 3. Remainder 1. 9 plus 6 is 15 5. Remainder 1. Then 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. Then 1 here. Okay. So you keep point after 1, 2, 3 digit you have to keep point. Okay. The answer is 14.536. Then sixth problem. 1.02 into 0.05. So solution, you multiply 1.02 into 0.05. By 5. 5 2s are 10. 0. Remainder 1. So 1 zeros are 0 plus 1 is 1. 5 1s are 5. After how many digits you have to keep point? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, fourth digit you have to keep on 0. No fourth digit. So you are keeping on 0 and keeping point. So the answer is 0.0510. Okay. Then see 10.08 into 1.05. 10.05 into 1.05. So 0 for 5 5s are 25. Remainder 2. 5 zeros are 0 plus 2 is 2. 5 zeros are 0. 5 1s are 5. Again 0. 0, 0, 0, 0. By 0 you are multiplying. The answer is 0. Then by 1 you are multiplying. 5, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Now you add 5, 2, 5, 5, 0, 1. Okay, the answer is, after how many digits you have to keep point? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 10.5525. Okay. Then 101.01 into 0.01. 101.01 into 0.01. Okay. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. I multiplied by 1 all. These are all 0. You have to keep point now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 1.0101. So 100.01 into 1.1. So 100.01 into 1.1. By 1 you are multiplying this 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Again 1 you are multiplying. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Now you add 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, after how many digits you have to keep point? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 digits. After 3 digits you have to keep point. So the answer is 110.011. Yeah, we understood. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.